Kia has truly stepped up its game in the electric vehicle sector with the introduction of this 5-door subcompact SUV. The EV3 is not just any electric car, it's a statement that Kia is ready to compete with high-end vehicles, offering an array of features typically reserved for luxury models, but at a price point that's accessible to a broader audience. The EV3 made a splash at the Los Angeles Auto Show, captivating attendees with its sleek design and advanced technology. This was not the EV3's first rodeo, though. It had its debut during the Kia EV Day event. Built on the Hyundai E-GMP platform, the platform is known for its versatility, allowing for various configurations to suit different driving needs. The EV3 features a single-speed reduction gear. At the heart of the EV3 is the finDreams lithium-ion phosphate battery. This battery technology is renowned for its safety, stability, and long life cycle. In the competitive landscape of subcompact electric SUVs, the Kia EV3 emerges as a formidable contender, rivaling models such as the Volvo EX30, Smart No. 1, and Peugeot E2008. Its distinctive design language, coupled with advanced battery technology, sets it apart. The EV3 is designed to cater not only to enthusiasts of battery electric vehicles, but also to attract those traditionally inclined towards gasoline-powered vehicles like the Toyota Corolla SUV, Ford Escape, and Honda CR-V. The EV3 is equipped with an 81.4 kWh battery pack, capable of delivering an impressive 350 miles of driving range on a full charge. This range positions the EV3 as a leader in its class, offering the freedom for longer journeys without frequent stops for recharging. When it comes to recharging, the EV3 supports a 400V charging architecture, which allows for rapid charging from 10% to 80% in a short span, providing convenience and reducing downtime. This is a slight departure from its siblings, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and the Kia EV9, which utilize an 800V charging system. Furthermore, the EV3 boasts vehicle-to-load (V2L) capabilities, a feature that transforms the vehicle into a mobile power source, allowing it to supply electricity to small electrical appliances when stationary. This innovative feature enhances the EV3's utility, making it an ideal companion for outdoor activities and emergencies where power access is limited. The Kia EV3 heralds the introduction of Kia's next-generation one-pedal driving feature, which includes driver-selectable levels of regenerative braking controlled by paddles mounted on the steering wheel. While the specifics of how this system differs from or improves upon the current iteration remain under wraps, anticipation is high for its public debut. Diverging from the rear-wheel drive configuration of the EV9, the EV3 opts for a front-wheel drive setup powered by a single electric motor. This motor delivers a robust 200 horsepower, enabling a respectable acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.5 seconds and achieving a top speed of 105 miles per hour. Although impressive, the EV3's performance is eclipsed by the Volvo EX30, which boasts a 428 horsepower dual-motor arrangement. Nonetheless, Kia is set to bolster its lineup with the GT line model, which promises even more power and is slated for release following the EV3's official launch. In terms of design, the EV3 shares the boxy and rugged aesthetic of its larger sibling, the 3-row EV9 SUV. The 2025 Kia EV3 is a compact SUV with dimensions that reflect its modern design ethos and technological prowess. It measures approximately 14 feet in length and stands around 5 feet tall. The wheelbase extends to 105.5 inches, with an overall length of 169.3 inches, a height of 61.4 inches, and a width of 72.8 inches. While its ground clearance may not rival that of the Subaru Crosstrek, Kia asserts that this design choice enhances aerodynamic efficiency. The EV3's design philosophy prioritizes aerodynamic flow, which is integral to its efficiency. This approach is evident in the vehicle's lower stance compared to some of its competitors, such as the Subaru Crosstrek, which is known for its higher ground clearance. Kia's focus on aerodynamics is a strategic move to optimize the EV3's performance and range, underscoring the company's commitment to innovation in electric vehicle design. The 2025 Kia EV3 exudes a welcoming yet capacious character, ideally suited for cityscapes and snug parking spots. The vehicle's front end is marked by a grille-less visage, a nod to its electric essence. It's equipped with vertical headlamps and slender LED daytime running lights, dubbed Star Map in Kia's vernacular, bestowing the car with a contemporary forward-looking charm. The EV3's bodywork is embellished with side cladding and darkened wheel well accents, lending it an elevated stance. Prospective buyers can anticipate a palette of 9 distinct colors, featuring 4 novel, earth-inspired shades that are Kia's exclusive offerings: aventurine green, shale gray, frost blue, and terracotta. The vehicle is perched on 19-inch wheels that sport a bold two-spoke pattern, harmonizing with its avant-garde style. The silhouette of the EV3 is distinctive, characterized by a raked windshield and a hatchback tail, conjuring a lively profile. The obscured pillars render the roof panel a levitating effect, amplifying the car's spirited posture. At the rear, the EV3 perpetuates Kia's signature stylistic language with tail lamps that ascend the hatch. The erect tail end and pronounced wheel arches, accented in black, forge a visual connection with its kin, the EV9, underscoring a familial likeness. In comparison to its contemporaries, the Kia EV3 stands out with its unique design elements and color options. It competes with other compact electric SUVs like the Volvo EX30, Smart No. 1, Peugeot E2008, and others in its segment. The use of sustainable materials such as a dashboard crafted from waste sugarcane and recycled plastic carpeting positions the EV3 as an eco-conscious choice for modern drivers. With its blend of style, sustainability, and advanced technology, the Kia EV3 is poised to make a significant impact in the electric vehicle market. The interior of the Kia EV3 mirrors the brand's commitment to innovation and user-friendliness, reminiscent of Kia's design ethos. The cabin is a harmonious fusion of futuristic design and functional simplicity. It showcases a minimalist dashboard characterized by sleek lines and a decluttered space. The incorporation of recycled plastics and bio-based fabrics not only enhances the cabin's eco-friendly allure but also aligns with modern sustainability trends. The interior color scheme is expected to be contemporary and understated, punctuated with tasteful accents that add a layer of sophistication and richness. The EV3 is poised to feature a cutting-edge infotainment system, surprising for its price point, equipped with dual 12.3-inch touchscreens. These displays promise to deliver sharp visuals and user-friendly interfaces, along with comprehensive connectivity options such as smartphone integration, navigation, and over-the-air software updates. The integration of a Kia voice-activated AI assistant, inspired by ChatGPT technology, is tailored to enhance user experience by facilitating entertainment selections, journey planning, and various other functionalities. Beneath the dashboard, a suite of tactile buttons is thoughtfully arranged with duplicates on the steering wheel to minimize driver distraction. The center console is innovatively designed, featuring a unique folding table crafted from mycelium, the root structure of fungi. This material choice underscores Kia's dedication to unconventional, sustainable materials. Additionally, the central console houses a wireless phone charging pad, cup holders, and Kia's signature sliding armrest, all of which contribute to the EV3's practicality and comfort. In terms of comparison, the Kia EV3's interior sets a benchmark in its class for integrating eco-conscious materials with advanced technology. It stands in contrast to competitors like the Nissan Leaf and Chevrolet Bolt, which offer different approaches to sustainability and tech integration. The Kia EV3's ambient lighting system is a testament to the automaker's dedication to creating an immersive driving experience. In the realm of seating, Kia has indeed prioritized comfort and spatial efficiency. The EV3's seats are expected to be constructed from sustainable fiber structures, ensuring a balance between lightness and durability. These seats boast advanced ergonomics, complete with heating, ventilation, and adjustable support systems, all designed to provide superior comfort on extended journeys. Moreover, the convenience of seat adjustments and climate is enhanced by the strategically placed buttons on the door interiors, allowing for easy access and control. Regarding the EV3's cargo capacity, the boot space is surprisingly generous for the vehicle's size, offering 460 liters of storage. This capacity exceeds that of the Volvo EX30 by 60 liters and surpasses the Smart No. 1 EV by a significant 130 liters. Technology-wise, the Kia EV3 is brimming with features. It encompasses a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work in concert to ensure a safer and more relaxed driving experience. The inclusion of a voice assistant and premium streaming services further elevates the ownership experience, providing convenience and entertainment on the go. As for pricing and availability, the anticipation for the Kia EV3's pre-order phase is palpable. With an expected price range of $30,000 to $35,000, the EV3 positions itself as a more accessible option compared to the Volvo EX30 and other compact electric vehicles in the US market. Upon acquisition, the EV3 is anticipated to continue Kia's tradition of offering robust warranty coverage, with a 5-year or 60,000-mile warranty and a 10-year powertrain warranty. This commitment to customer satisfaction and vehicle reliability is a hallmark of Kia's brand promise and adds considerable value to the ownership experience.